Hi everyone, this is Scott Converse here. I thought we'd do a little applied case on some process improvement activity happening here at the house. I'm sitting in the kitchen right now, and what I'd like to do is show you how we do laundry here at the Converse house. So we'll show you what the laundry room looks like, I'll show you where the laundry exists, and then you'll probably get a chance to actually see me doing the laundry. Let's take a look at the laundry room right now. In this, through this door is where our laundry room is on the first floor. And, you know, it's like many laundry rooms, I guess. We got the old washer, dryer. If you come up, can you bring the camera in and show them, we got kind of a sink area. It's a clutter area for, well, it's a sink, so we use it to, right now there's a painting project going on. Up here, you know, I've got the iron, spray bottles for ironing. Back here I've got somewhere laundry detergents and whatnot. This drawer is actually used for linens for the kitchen and light bulbs, I guess, so I'm not really sure what, well, anyway, whatever. A little bit of collected laundry already, empty bulletin board that I have never actually used. And if you can come on in a little bit, because I want to show you where the ironing board is located. So we got one of these little nifty little pop-down ironing boards as well. All right, next stop, we'll take a look at where the laundry actually develops. First laundry stop, master bedroom in my closet. Let's take a look. So we're through the bedroom and into the bathroom area, and in the little closet area is where my laundry is at. It's also where we get towels and other bathroom supplies from the first floor. All right, next stop, let's go take a look at our kids and their laundry. I have been told by my wife that these are disaster zones and not suitable for filming, so I'm just going to point out that my 16-year-old son's room is located in this doorway. My 15-year-old daughter's room is located in this doorway. And if we do take a look, they do have a bathroom as well, where we've got like laundry and stuff located as well. So that's where our prime work area is. That's also where our raw materials, I guess you could call it. The laundry is located. In this next scene, you'll actually see me doing the laundry. Good morning, everybody. It's 5:15 a.m. Another bright, beautiful day here. Time to get ready for school. I got a class I got to teach in today, so thought I'd better get changed. Let's go. I need my lucky blue shirt. Blue. Where's my blue shirt? Where's my blue shirt? Oh no! It's dirty. I guess it's time to make the laundry. Here we go. Oh. Isn't this great? I got this load, I got more laundry in there. Okay, let me, I'll sort that laundry in a minute, but let me at least get, I don't need that. There it is. Here it is. Here we go. The soap. I guess so. Detergent. Alright, well that's just about it. All I have to do now is sort these piles, and I'll make sure I get my darks in so I can get my lucky blue shirt ready for class. But that's pretty much it for laundry.
Dad, I need my volleyball jersey washed for tomorrow.
Oh yeah, more laundry. Alright. Let me do some more laundry here. Alright, so we got Ellen's volleyball stuff. Let's All right, so that just about does it. I'll have to sort both of these, all these clothes out, but you've already seen people sort before. I'll get them sorted, and the laundry will get thrown in the wash. Then we'll be ready to go. All right, looks like we're almost done with the drying. I'll get the laundry done. All right, next step, I'll need to get this folded, but I'm going to go take care of a little shower and bathroom action, and we'll get back to you in just a minute. That was a good shower. I got myself changed. I just got to get my shirt, and we should be set. Fresh and clean. But it's kind of wrinkled, so I better get it ironed. Here we go. Ooh, it's ready. And so I'm just about wrapped up with the laundry. I got my shirt ironed, got all my outfit taken care of, did those loads that you saw earlier. And now I just got a couple more items to fold, and we should be set, which is good because I gotta get to work. It's almost 8 o'clock. Alright. So I've got my stuff taken care of. I got Jill's stuff. She's already left, and if we take a look, I've got the kids' stuff right here. It's a bit of a pile, I would say. I don't have time this morning to sort through our socks, but I've got some socks I need to sort through as well. It's my least favorite job. I'll put this away on my way out the door, but I think that's a wrap. I got all the laundry done. I don't know if I'll get to work on time, but I got all the laundry done.